prepare the chili chicken, I'm using 500 grams of boneless chicken and I've cut into small pieces. To marinate the chicken, use 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 80 grams of corn flour powder. You can always adjust with the corn flour powder, less or more if you need. And 2 tablespoons of rice flour. And 1 whole egg. Now let's mix this all well together. As you know, most of them use plain flour while marinating this, but I've used rice flour because I will get a nice good crispiness out of it. Now I'm going to add a little bit food color to this. This is completely optional. If you like to use it, you can. If not, then it's fine, because the color is going to give more intense once you add a color in this. Now add a pinch of baking soda. This is also an optional. I'm just using so it's going to fluff when I'm going to deep fry them. Now let's leave this marination aside for 30 minutes to get well marinated. So it's been half an hour now. That chicken is already marinated. Now let's deep fry it. The first batch is done now. Let's remove this and keep it on a paper towel. Now let's fry the second batch as well. Our chicken is ready now. Now let's go and prepare the dish. So in a wok, take 2 tablespoons of oil. So to start with, I'm using 6 garlic cloves finely chopped and 1 inch of ginger finely chopped. We're going to put this to saute first. Saute this for 1 minute. Use 1 large onion cut into cubes. Capsicum cut into cubes as well. Let's fry this all together. Let's add a little bit spring onion and 4 to 6 green chilies. Now let's stir fry this for 2 to 3 minutes. Use 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, a little bit of tomato ketchup, a little bit of chili garlic sauce, and this is something secret of me. I'm going to be using honey. Most of them use sugar, but I don't prefer that. Try using honey and you will find the difference of the taste of this. Use 2 teaspoons of honey. Add a pinch of salt. Give a stir. Now let's add the chicken in this. It's all mixed well together. So friends, our chili chicken is ready now. If you liked our recipe, do show us some love by liking, sharing and subscribing our channel. Until then, love you all. God bless. Adios.